New DS3 E-Tense gets a completely new electric motor, a reduction gear and a new battery for increases in efficiency and range. The new electric hybrid synchronous motor benefits from the expertise acquired in Formula E to demonstrate high efficiency. It offers 156 horsepower of power and 260 Nm of torque at a voltage of 400 volts. The new 54 kWh battery has thermal control through liquid circulation and a heat pump that enables rapid charging, better range and increased lifespan. As standard, the onboard charger takes 100 kilowatts in direct current. New DS3 E-Tense manages up to 404 kilometers of range on the WLTP combined cycle and more than 500 kilometers in urban conditions.